Timanambusa, welcome na una mandat, ekuna man, na de ngi man, na de bakuri man, na de bafo man, na de bakulubanga man, na bayangi man, na bangwa man, na nsok man, na ngi, na meta, na bafute, I don't know which one again, I be Douala man, I be Yaounde man, I be Bulu man, I be Pygmy man, I be Tupuri man, I be Mundang, I be Northeast, anyhow na look up, una de welcome for the radio. The Tory day, we gonna come. You know, plenty like before, but the Tory way day, it be very, very important. Yesterday, it be been a day for una know that kind of thing, no? That be say, it be done by J. Among I nen, it be done by J. Lela Buamu. Bemenkiri Kirimbang. Mbolo, it be don't happen. What it happen? When I go to ask una question that. Say now what happened, Senator? Now press conference. When Celine Eko, first vice president for Cameroon Football Federation in Akab. Madam Celine Eko knocked that press conference. He talk about what he talk about the matter where they take a name, they put in someone, they draw in someone. He talk say he don't finish so. Say any man we go start do that kind of thing again. Nanga go follow you. That me say Fecafoot don't decide. Say when I take a name, when I want put up for mod again, when I must be very ready. Ready for first law, because law he go talk. No be say na that way when I be the do am, when I just take a name, when I rob for more robber. No, it don't finish so. It don't finish. They say it don't end. They don't want to hear that one again. You do they carry you go for court. You write them for social media, they carry you go for court, you prove them. So people do now go to understand. They palaba hold to say court. They go no. They write that BB declaration two for paper. That means say make press conference and then they write all the declaration for paper. Don't grammar. The grammar day. Hey, people they never see that grammar. May they go find that grammar. They go see that grammar. The grammar plenty. That means say Fecafoot don't vex. They say if you try again, they go show you Malamangulungwete. Now so the matter day. So we don't see some program that was sport yesterday. Any man the fear. Any man want talk, he only fear. Say man not talk, say man not call name for it too. Man not talk so because say now disorder. If it be general, collective, all my people inside, the way they start begin sanction now one by one. Any man na in neck, they carry hate. Una don't understand, then if you begin to pop now. Another news, where they na say wait. Una no, playoff up and playoff down, it take place. And what happen, the news will come on and say that team for Menwa, he don't come out champion. Yes. The Fecafoot system don't publish up. He publish and say Aigle Royal for Menwa, champion for MTN Elite 2. Congratulations. That means say Aigle for Menwa. It gonna before for waiting for first division. What will be the next team? We'll still wait publication where Fecafoot go give it before we go know say na so they change it. Because we know when we get declare team for ya and then we go declare our own and then after una know say homologation day plenty thing and day. So if Fecafoot don't take them as responsibility for tell we say Aigle for Menwa don't win, that means say no problem no day. No nothing, no in-house fighting, no war, no be where they go talk say they go do the one, they want go make the one, go make the other one. No, they no go do am, it no go happen so countryman. So it don't be like that. Aigle for Menwa, it don't win am. Like that, it don't win am. Go, countryman, we happy for Aigle for Menwa, we happy for all our country people there. We happy for all our country people for that side. For that side, for Menwa. And also for the, it go to, yes. It go to go before. It go to holla. It go to, Ball, they go make ball. You go continue. Let me see the ball go. I understand. I know my chunk people, they know. Countryman, countrywoman. Okay. More let that palaver and so we go enter for which place. We enter now for palaba small tori. Tori we come on we. E come on our side for Limbe. Now some very kind tori countryman, countrywoman. So get them. The inner sister, two sister demo, two sister. They enter bike, Sandra and Mercy. They enter bike now. They will go for that side for Ngeme. Now, how the thing happen? Now for Sunday, when we learn the one, the news can we now yesterday we will come up for here. The news comes say for Sunday morning. For that side for Ngeme, for Limbe. The pikin enter, the young girl enter bike, motorbike. Ora na wetin happen no. Driver for some motor enter, for some rough card, bam! For the bike way, we carry the together. Hey! Where? They rush them for hospital. Now so they now end of the story that they sleep straight like ruler. They together kick pocket for that side for hospital for Limbe. I don't know play the driver there. But the news now say they together don't quarrel. If you see the before for moto, that say they kind of speed where the driver and for jam bike. So take motor bend for that way so. That means say if the drive now for cut notes neck speed. That's what they call it, say cut neck speed. That means say now recklessness. Yes, now recklessness. You want it so no be 2 grammar they go talk about it. Now recklessness. Another story day. Countryman. The story now 4 pikin them. 4 pikin them for the same mommy, the same papa. Go. Hey, Yahweh. They don't go swim for water. Now so they die. For Ngandere. Chateau d'eau for Ngandere. They don't find them for Saturday. Do happen. Find so they go see their body for the picking them. 4. If it be a tiger. 4. Now so the picking they don't quarrel. The mommy and the papa for the picking them. They don't no place for put their head. The thing don't go badge. It don't pass them. I say it don't pass them because you want to say me what they talk for you no. It don't pass me. Imagine the suffer, the stress. Another sweet story, Munyong. We don't come on for that play when I die and all that thing. They will enter for the Munyong story. People they live for some bonbon. When they not put inside rapun before they suck now they are news this. Sucking bonbon, no putting inside rapun. The young girl, he own for that side for Ghana. For country, for Kwame Nkrumah. What happened with ye? Ama ainen, many zwate. He don't start. Begin me mami. Inena Selina Adu. Ime mami, some Chinese man. Mami. The Chinese man come for car work for some mine, gold, some mine. Yes, for that side, for Ghana. For that place they call it say Abodom. So the Chinese man now, he take the girl, na he own nga for Ghana. He me mami with the girl. They me mami sote say my name na Leon. Anytime na mami they make am. They song bonbon, they know they put happen. You know they put they sock am, tear up, sock am. Except for song bonbon inside happen, it's a child name of him. Neither. They don't saw the bonbon sote. That get to carry gari, he chop am. He take gari, dry gari, chop am. He forget say when you take dry gari, you chop am. They know they drink water one time. He take water, he drink am. As he drink that water, so he belesa high. If you let the high go, now we go no say they from Biok. That means say he don't carry belly. As he carry belle na so countryman. The man, he chop him. Chinese man, chop him. He go yi. He go yi. So the guy don't go for some radio station. He go complain for day. I do 106 FM. He don't go to complain for day. Say, he find that man. Man wey give me belle, I find ye in name na Lyon. He dey so. Oh. You go see for outside. The kind of man, na man we go see again. I'm not sure say you go see again. The man, he don't chop him. As he don't chop him, so you go show your face again. I don't think so. Because they like na easy work. When they don't finish do easy work, that when Jacka come, they begin run. You dey run with your way. Now you say self, you take your skin, take your mop, take your go do which way you do and day. It is say correct so. Countrywoman. Now for year, we go put end for the one small Pidgin program we una come for una today. Una no, as I always talk. If una see my back, me una no say my belly e dey for before. If una see my back, me una no say my belly e dey for before. Na sote a small time again. I will leave una with this song when I finally put a singer. The title for the song na Alliance.